Hi! In this lecture we will talk about the interpretability of models. The ability to interpret the predictions of a model is extremely important in a lot of situations. For example, when making a medical diagnosis, it is necessary to be able to explain why the model made this or that prediction, because a human life may be at stake. In the report DECA lecture, we talk about two built-in methods, feature importance and permutation importance. Surely they perform well, but we can do better. So, for each feature, let's take the set of all its values. Categories for categorical features and average over bind for numerical. Then, for each feature, we will replace the entire feature column with it and make the predictions. We will get a prediction matrix of size the number of objects by the number of unique values. The intuition is simple. The more the predictions differ depending on the value, the more important this feature is for the model. If we average all predictions over objects, we will get a global interpretation method called partial dependence plot. If we don't average, then each object will have its own dependency, so it is a local interpretation method called individual conditional expectation. During the practice part, we will see how to apply both methods on real data.